Hey, this is Catherine from Cat's Green Kitchen. I'm really excited about the recipe today. It is meal prep for the week, and it's specifically a lunch that I am preparing for myself and my husband. This bowl specifically is a quinoa, bell peppers, cabbage, carrot with some garbanzo beans as well. So I really hope that you enjoy it and stay tuned. You see all these fixings here. Yes, I did set them out and do a lot of prep. So you can see here, this is half of a head of cabbage, and I like the purple cabbage. This is 8 bell peppers, and I did specifically green. And then I had a bag of carrots that I went ahead and used my KitchenAid slicer and cut them into just really shredded carrots. Then I went ahead and cooked in advance a bowl of quinoa. And I have 4 cans of garbanzo beans or chickpeas that I have rinsed already. For spices, I have garlic powder, I have onion powder, liquid amino syrup, and that's just to sweeten the sauce. I do PB Fit and add water to it just so it's a lower fat content. Let's go ahead and get started. I use non-stick pans. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water. I may need to add a little more, but the goal is to steam the vegetables. So I'm going to start out with the cabbage and add bell peppers over that and let that sit for a little bit. Next, we are going to create our sauce for the chickpeas. Okay, so that's about roughly 10 tablespoons of PB Fit, and add some water until I get the consistency of about a little runnier than peanut butter. Do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, 1 tablespoon of syrup, 1 teaspoon of ginger. I really enjoy having ginger in my sauces. I'm gonna mix that all together. The next step we will be doing is on the stove in a saucepan, we'll be adding the chickpea and the sauce to let it warm up a little bit. I'm going to put our sauce in the pan. The stove on medium. We pour in the chickpeas mixed into the sauce. We'll let this sit covered for probably about 5-10 minutes. We want these to just get a little warm and help absorb some of the sauce. It's been about 5 minutes, and you can see that the sauce is thickened up a little bit, and the chickpeas are actually soft. You can see some of them are coming apart a little bit. So this is done, and we're just gonna let it sit and cool for a couple minutes. Cabbage and bell peppers have cooked down. Add the carrots just so that they warm up a little bit. We'll let the carrots cook just a minute or 2, and then we will be ready to assemble. I put 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa. Fill the majority of this container with vegetables. You add about a 1/2 cup chickpeas. All right, so this is your lunch. You can heat it up in the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. So here's our finished product. Each container, 315 calories, 16 grams of protein, 4.7 grams of fat, and 54.8 grams of carbs. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any other recipes that you would like me to try for meal prep, please leave them in the comments below. I really hope that you like, subscribe, and follow along on this journey. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box. Thanks. Have a good one.